Good evening, everybody. Everybody knows Mr. Walk Life in the building. All right, this is a 5-minute one. It's for the overweight lovers, the heavy setters, beginning walkers, beginning rehabbers. You know, we out here, walk at your own pace. Yeah, the other day I was doing a 15-minute video and I kept saying Facebook and I meant to say YouTube, so for the YouTube algorithm, my bad, I ain't mean to say Facebook. I can't cut it out though, cause everything I do is raw, man. It's uncut. I do a little bit of editing and that's it. I ain't got an editor that can cut out and voice over my mistakes. Like I say, one day I'll get there. In the meantime, y'all walk with me, man. We'll move up in the world together. This is my 5-minute video for the overweighters and the beginning walkers. You know, feel good out here today. Get up in the morning, drink your little coffee, eat your little something, do your 5 or 10-minute walk before you start your day off. You know, you're right in front of the TV. You ain't got to sweat all the time. But if you beginning walking, you know what I'm saying, you gotta start somewhere. You know, that's why I made the 5 and 10-minute low impact walks. That's what this one is. We're gonna do neck exercises. So y'all ready? Walk Life in the building, y'all. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. Make sure you get that neck. Tuck that chin in. Get some neck exercises. Rub that fat. Yeah, rub that fat. Don't be tripping. Rub that fat on. These like tummy tucks. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's roll around one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. That's one set. All right, we got 2 more sets to do and I ain't playing around. All right, y'all ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Back up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Let's do one more. Can't stop now. Let me go this way. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sides. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. Get the neck. Yeah. Well, you know it. You done did all 3 sets. Tuck that chin in. That neck real good, y'all. All right. See what I'm saying? Just like that, that's a 5-minute video. Appreciate y'all riding with me. I want to apologize one more time to YouTube for saying Facebook by mistake. Till next time, peace out.